1 Peter 4 verse 8 is a compelling verse that emphasizes the importance of love within the Christian community. Written by the Apostle Peter, this epistle encourages believers to live godly lives in the face of suffering and persecution. This verse particularly highlights love's crucial role in maintaining unity and harmony among believers. Let's explore the depth of 1 Peter 4 verse 8. Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins. The verse begins with a strong exhortation, above all, love each other deeply. This phrase places love at the highest priority for Christians. Peter underscores that love should be the primary focus and guiding principle in all interactions among believers. The phrase, above all, signifies that love is not just an additional virtue but the foundation upon which all other actions and behaviors should be built. It is the highest command, surpassing all others in importance. The term, deeply, conveys an intensity and sincerity in how love should be practiced. It implies going beyond superficial acts of kindness and fostering a genuine, heartfelt connection with others. This deep love involves patience, understanding, and selflessness. It is not merely an emotion but an active commitment to the well-being of others. This kind of love perseveres through challenges and hardships, maintaining its strength even when it is difficult to do so. It reflects the nature of God's love for humanity, which is enduring, sacrificial, and unconditional. Because love covers over a multitude of sins. The next part of the verse, because love covers over a multitude of sins, reveals the powerful impact of love. Here, Peter is likely referencing Proverbs 10 verse 12, which states, hatred stirs up conflict, but love covers over all wrongs. This concept emphasizes love's ability to foster forgiveness and reconciliation. When Peter says that love covers sins, he doesn't imply that love ignores or excuses sin. Rather, it means that love seeks to forgive and restore relationships. Love helps to move past offenses, enabling a community to maintain unity and peace despite human shortcomings. It acts as a healing balm, soothing the wounds caused by sin and fostering an environment where grace and mercy prevail over judgment and resentment. By covering sins, love diminishes their divisive power, preventing them from disrupting the harmony within the community. Application. The truths in 1 Peter 4 verse 8 are vital for Christian living today. Firstly, prioritizing love in our interactions helps to build stronger, more resilient communities. The world is often marked by division and conflict. Demonstrating deep love can set Christians apart as followers of Christ. This love is a testimony to the transforming power of God's love in our lives, making us agents of peace and reconciliation. Secondly, practicing deep love involves making conscious efforts to understand and empathize with others. It means extending grace and forgiveness, recognizing that everyone falls short at times. This kind of love can heal wounds and repair broken relationships. It calls us to look beyond the faults and failures of others, seeing them through the lens of compassion and understanding. By doing so, we create a supportive and nurturing environment where people can grow and thrive. Lastly, knowing that love covers a multitude of sins encourages us to be proactive in fostering harmony. It reminds us that our love for others can have a profound impact, promoting peace and unity within our communities. This proactive love involves taking the initiative to resolve conflicts, offering forgiveness before it is asked, and seeking reconciliation even when it is difficult. It challenges us to rise above our hurts and grievances, choosing to respond with kindness and mercy. 1 Peter 4 verse 8 is a powerful reminder of the centrality of love in the Christian faith. It calls us to love deeply and genuinely, recognizing that such love has the power to cover a multitude of sins. As we meditate on this verse, may we be inspired to prioritize love in our lives, practice forgiveness, and strive for unity within our communities. Let us embody the deep, transformative love that reflects the heart of God, bringing healing and reconciliation wherever we go. Amen.